Imagine a time when survival meant endless movement. A time when humans chased herds and gathered whatever nature provided. But one day, someone made an observation. Simple one. If you plant a seed, something grows. That single realization changed the course of history forever. Historians believe the discovery of farming was not a single moment, but a slow realization, happening in different parts of the world around 10,000 years ago. In the lush valleys of Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus Valley, and China, humans started noticing patterns in nature. They saw how fallen seeds sprouted new plants, how certain crops grew better in certain places. And so, rather than searching for food, they began growing it themselves. Farming changed everything. No longer bound to follow migrating animals, early humans settled in one place. Villages formed, permanent communities where families lived for generations. Food security meant larger populations. And with more mouths to feed, people worked together, developing new tools, better techniques, and even early irrigation systems. But plants were only half the story. Around the same time, humans realized they could control animals too. Goats and sheep provided milk and wool. Cows could plow fields. Even dogs, once wild, became loyal companions and hunters. This wasn't just survival. It was the first step towards civilization. With farming came surplus. For the first time, people produced more than they needed. This allowed trade to flourish. Farmers traded grain for tools, pottery, or even livestock. Some became craftsmen, others became merchants. Over time, differences emerged. Those with land and resources held power, while others worked to survive. This was the beginning of social classes. As societies grew, so did conflicts. Who owned the land? How was food divided? Farming communities needed order, and so the first laws were born. From simple agreements to written codes, farming didn't just shape what we ate. It shaped how we lived, ruled, and governed. Agriculture was the foundation, but it was only the beginning. Soon, mighty civilizations would rise with temples, trade, and rulers. Join us next time as we explore why Mesopotamia is called the cradle of civilization.